Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, talking to you again about a problem that we're seeing a little more regular than normal. It's about a Bosch dishwasher. We've got some complaints that they have smelt like fish, okay? Which you saying, how bad could that be? Well, if you had smell-o-vision, I'd show you, but we don't have it, so just be glad you can't smell what I've smelled. But what it is, first of all, you want to make sure you're cleaning your dishwasher properly. There's a couple good products. You've got Lemon Shine, you've got it fresh, tomato, potato. One is as good as the other. I prefer Lemon Shine because that's just me, because it will eat off anything off that I don't want to wash off. But you don't use it that way. But when you clean your washer, it will actually do a very good job. Okay. Secondly is Bosch has an issue. I'm not exactly sure where it is yet, but we've actually had a couple that we went out and we could not repair because the smell would not go away no matter what we did. We've notified Bosch. Bosch has gotten back with us saying, hey, they know they have an issue, but they're not exactly sure what the issue is yet because they don't know exactly what part is going south. Okay? This isn't anything to be alarmed about. If you don't smell it, and it's an obvious smell. Now, if it just smells bad, you just need to clean your dishwasher. This is a very pungent odor that it'll hit you when it's there. If you have that, first try and clean your appliance, okay, with whatever you want to use. If that doesn't work, then you're going to want to call the manufacturer saying, hey, you know, my dishwasher does not smell right. The manufacturer will work with you to, one, get it fixed, and or possibly, if it can't be fixed, to help you get it replaced with a Bosch dishwasher that works, that doesn't have the odor. There's an 800 number. Usually, it's on one of the tags on the inside here, okay? Is Bosch made under, that's if you got a problem, okay? What you also want to do is come over here is use your model and serial number. So when you call them, you want to have that information with you to say, hey, this is the model I have, this is all the information you need, this is what I'm experiencing. So don't hesitate. If you think you got some issues, call the manufacturer or call a technician out. Let them come out and say, hey, is it just me or do I smell dead fish? Because I'll walk out saying, no, that's dirty feet. That doesn't qualify for what we're talking about. But if you do, don't hesitate to call, because Bosch wants your appliance to work as well as it can. And if it's not working well, they would rather send somebody out and fix it than have you than not be satisfied with your product and not buy their product again. So, to reiterate, basically clean your dishwasher first. If that doesn't fix it, call the manufacturer or call a technician to have them come out, and then they'll start the process of getting it fixed for you so you can have many years of good service with your Bosch appliance. Like I said, there's several different Bosch models. They don't know exactly which one is the issue, so they kind of do need your help, saying, hey, mine does smell like fish, so they can figure out where the problem is, fix it so they won't have it in the future. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, because there's a lot more good information coming, and you folks have a wonderful day.